Today we will be showing you how to remove the print head out of our THC Industrial Ultra Printer. You will need a flat head, and as you notice, I also protect myself with a pair of gloves for the print head section. But you'll need a flat head. There is no ink ribbon installed currently. If there is, go ahead and remove it. Pop up your print head with the lever. In the front of this metal panel, you will see a little hinge. Go ahead and use your tool. Move it over to the right, and you'll notice the print head will pop down. In the back of the print head, you'll have a white plug and a black plug. Go ahead and use your flat head, or you can also pinch and wiggle the plug out. For the black one, use the flat head, push it down on the little tab, and once the print head is removed, take a look at your printing element. You can also do some maintenance if you think the print head is still good, and clean out this area. That is how you remove the print head from our THC Ultra printer. The print head has previously been removed. This is our brand new print head. Go ahead and match up the plugs and snap them in. Once you snap them in, there's a little metal piece underneath the print bar here. You will have a hollow piece that the metal will click in. Line it up, push it, and you'll hear a click. Once you hear that click, check the fitment. Everything looks good. Your print head has been installed.